Hello, I am DevFoyRBX, whatever you want to say it. Today, I try to show you like how I got better at programming. Firstly, I learned how to do a mouse button click. So, pretty simple. Let's just put a button. I won't scale it because this ain't gonna be saved as a project. So simple, right? It's a click button. You just grip that. It's been a while since I used script dot thingy. Script dot parent dot mouse button one click. This just means if you click the button once, it clicks. Why is my auto thing not working? Alright. Um so one day I was just messing with these click thingies. Then I added a debound because I didn't want to spam it. If I know what to spell, DEB. Okay, I should autocorrect and shit. That's fine. You want to do if debounce, not debug. Why is my autocorrect not working? It's been working fine for like weeks, and now it's not working whatsoever. Alright, so this just basically means every 0.1 second you'll be able to click. But for example, let's just do one so you can see like a difference. So if I keep pressing at the bottom, it'll say clicked every 1 second. So this is where I learned first. And then of course, if statements. This comes with the if statement to learn about. So if you want to make something to quests or rebirths or a shop, it all comes down to if statements. So, for example, you shouldn't do this on this client, but I guess you could because you need to add checks on client and server anyway. But let's just say for now, the coins you have is 10, and coins needed is 100. So this could work anyway. So the coins can be where you need, of course, and the coins needed can literally be for a shop, rebirth, but a quest. It could be like a quest requirement. It's the same thing. So it can be for like if coins is over or on, you don't be exactly, otherwise it won't work. Even if you have enough for it, it won't work. So you have to be on or over like that. Coins needed. So then what this basically does is this literally rebirths. You send remote to the server, which we'll go over in probably in another video. You can either rebirth, you can either give items, which also comes into the quest system. So yeah. So that's basically how I got better, because after learning all of this, I made like a bunch of small projects. Why is this opened? A bunch of small projects, and next thing I know, I started working with people, and I just think like 2021 or 2022, I've had games. I've made shattering simulator, throwing simulator, then swinging, yeah, swinging simulator. Then this is my final game that I made. 3 million visits. I kind of stopped after that, but like after getting better at all that, um, it boosted my confidence with the if statements. Because once you learn if statement, you will then work on learning the remote events. That's basically it. It's gonna be a quick video. If you have any questions, just comment down. I'll answer as many as I can. Any suggestions of videos? I will do that. Um, I plan to make a couple videos over the next couple of days or weeks about rebirths and such. But yeah, goodbye.